Full time here at Barry is Aberystwyth 1, Barry Town 1. I'm here with Manager Neville Powell. Nev, a hard 4 points, what's your thoughts?
Obviously before the game he would have settled for a point. You know, Barry's first game in the Welsh Premier, you knew it was going to be difficult. You knew they were going to come out 100 mile an hour, exactly what they did. You know, I thought we started the game well. We managed it well for 15 minutes. Then all of a sudden we found ourselves a goal down probably off our attack. So for 10 minutes we struggled to get a foothold of the game. I think it spurred Barry on, but well, the last 10 minutes of the first half we started to control the game. We had a couple of good half chances where we should have took at least one of them, and we didn't really want the half-time whistle to come. Told the lads at half-time, you know, keep it going, keep the energy levels going, because Barry can't play like they did first half for 90 minutes, and so it proved. You know, I thought they tired second half, and you know, obviously we got the goal, and if there was anyone else who was going to score, I think we could have snatched it. You know, so. We'll settle for the point, but the lads are a bit disappointed in there that we only got the one.
Obviously we're going to talk about that goal. What was your view on it?
Well, we were the other side of the pitch for me, you know, so Declan's walkers knocked some great corners in there today, the pace. And it's 100 mile an hour, isn't it? The linesman's made a decision, and as you say, we'll go by it, some will go with you. Some people are saying it's not over, but it was the least we deserved, to be fair, because the pressure we were sustaining, and we were disappointed. John Owen missed a couple there, and we could have gone on and won the game, you know. So we'll take the positives from it. You know, we've picked up a couple of knocks. I thought the subs looked lively when they come on, and overall pleased with the performance. You know, I thought the back four were outstanding again. You know, they're getting a real bit of communication, playing together, and you know, a lot of times you would have seen Aberystwyth side fold and they went 1-0 down, but that wasn't going to happen today. And you know, through the spine of the team, we look really solid, and you know, at the end of the day, you've got to be happy with the point when you come down here.
And as you said there, there's confidence is coming through the team, because these boys aren't playing with each other a lot. That's going to come and develop over time. So how pleased are you with the gel and the team's doing?
The team spirit's fine. You know, it's the group of lads we've got there. You see them in training, you see them together. They're just getting to know each other. And obviously, I would have liked to have them 2 or 3 weeks earlier, but you know, I haven't got that luxury. And you know, they've come together, and they're a strong group of lads, and I was really looking forward to them to play today. You know, and difficult conditions in the middle of the pitch. The ball was bouncing around. It was difficult for us to get the likes of Declan Carroll on it in the middle of the park. So we tried to get the ball out wide as quick as we could, and John Owen caused numerous problems down the left-hand side for us. And as you say, the lads put a good shift in. You know, we've got to be happy with their commitment. It's a point away from home. Disappointed that we never got the 3, but as you say, it's something to build on.
And looking ahead to next Friday now, a difficult game against Llandudno home, but your home opener, how excited are you for that?
Yeah, they're all difficult games. We won't have an easy game. You know, in 32 games, we're not going to get an easy game. So we had a good win yesterday. Llandudno did, but as you say, we're on our own patch, and we pick our points up away from home. We've got to make sure we can try and make Park Avenue a fortress, and get the fans behind us. And on that show today, you've seen the fans are appreciative at the end of the game with the effort and the commitment and the play that the players put in. So we can't wait for Friday to come round. We'll see how they are in training on Tuesday. As I say, fingers crossed we can get a good result on Friday.
Nev, many thanks for your time, and congratulations, ladies and gentlemen.